Hello viewers, welcome back. So if you are watching my videos, you have seen how we can install Python packages, how we can change runtime, okay, all these things. Today in this video, we are going to see how we can upload files to Google Colab environment, okay. For that, we need to import a Google Colab library, like from Google Colab, google.colab, import the files, and then files.upload method will give us option to upload the file, and that file object will be stored in this uploaded variable. So let's say if we run this, once we execute this code, we'll be presented with this widget. We can click on choose file, and on the desktop I have one file written, text file. I just open it and it will upload the file, and here you can see 100% done, and post that it will stop executing. So until you upload a file, it will not stop executing. It will show that it is still executing. You can either cancel using cancel button that was showing here, or you can simply upload it, okay, and that file you will be able to see here. So if you double click this, you can see this is a demo text. So that's the text file where you can see the content of that file, and this file is uploaded to our Google Colab environment. Now one thing to note here, whatever the files you are uploading, it will not be saved forever. Once your runtime is closed, this file will be gone, okay. So either you upload it to Google Drive, your own Google Drive which is connected to your Google account, because here whatever the file you are uploading here, it's a temporary file, okay. It will be deleted later once you close the session with your compute engine. In our last video, what we saw is how we can upload a file to Google Colab using Google Colab package, which provides a widget in our Jupyter notebook, and through that widget we can choose the file that will be uploaded to our Google Colab environment. The same thing we can do by right clicking here in the sidebar. For that, we need to be connected to our runtime, okay. Until we are not connected to runtime, this option will not be available. So we have to connect to our runtime, and we should see a disk and RAM or basically compute engine allocated to us. Then we'll click on upload, and next time I am uploading file 2, okay. Once it's uploaded, you'll be able to see that file here as well. Now if you double click this, you will be able to see the content of that file. This is the demo text for file 2. Let me close this. Also you can see these options through this breadcrumbs, right? You'll see you have download button to download the file or delete the file. You can rename the file, copy the path of the file if you want to use that path inside your code to do some processing or run or read the file in your code, okay. Using that path you can do that, okay. And refresh is used when you are writing new files or deleting a new file. If it is still showing, you just refresh it and it will just show you the latest changes to your Google Colab environment here, okay. So now you see how we can upload the file through this sidebar window as well, okay. So that's about second part of your uploading a file in the Google Colab environment. So that's all for now. We'll meet in another video where we'll see how to connect with our Google Drive, how we can mount our Google Drive and then upload some files to Google Drive. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.